Given our increasing reliance on technology, the global electronics manufacturing market is projected to increase from $534 billion in 2023 to $856 billion by 2030. However, to deliver on this forecast, the electronics industry will have to overcome an unprecedented labor shortage. More than two-thirds of IPC's U.S. members report that an inability to find and retain skilled workers is limiting their growth and competitiveness. Approximately 10,000 baby boomers are retiring each day. By the time the last member of this generation retires in 2031, U.S. manufacturing is expected to have 2.1 million unfilled jobs. To address this, IPC recently outlined a comprehensive strategy to tackle workforce issues in U.S. electronics manufacturing. The plan, outlined in a white paper, targets immediate needs and long-term growth by fostering a skilled, adaptable, and motivated workforce. This multifaceted approach defines ways to establish partnerships among educational institutions, businesses, government agencies, and nonprofits to ensure a steady flow of skilled workers with defined career pathways. It also focuses on creating industry-defined training programs, improving perceptions of manufacturing careers, and supporting universally recognized, stackable credentials. With more than 145,000 people credentialed annually, IPC has been the global leader in electronics workforce and education for more than 50 years. But we can't do it alone. The U.S. government can join us by prioritizing electronics manufacturing programs and partnerships. Businesses are encouraged to partner with IPC, adopt the growing suite of career pathways, and become part of the solution. And communities can embrace the opportunity to offer workforce education opportunities. After all, good jobs benefit all of us. Learn more about IPC's workforce strategy and educational programs at ipc.org.